In this video we are going to talk about comparison between famous AI programs. Before continuing this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Number 4. Hostinger versus BlueHost. Both of these hosting providers have a large customer base, and as a result, they strive to improve the quality of their offerings on a daily basis. If you ever come across a post that asks for guidance on which of these two providers to choose, you will end up reading thousands of comments that contain a ton of both positive and negative aspects of each option. The providers are pitted against one another to engage in a struggle to the finish. But I know a better way to fix this problem once and for all, at least until the next time the service is updated. If we were to test and compare each significant aspect of the two, we would be able to produce a reasonable analysis that details the advantages and disadvantages of both options. That is precisely what I ended up doing. Check out my analysis of the similarities and differences between BlueHost and Hostinger to learn which of these two web hosts is best suited to handle your website. Both Hostinger and BlueHost are good options, but BlueHost is more well known due to the fact that it has been in business for a longer period of time and has a stronger reputation. Hostinger is well known for having affordable prices and exceeding expectations in terms of performance. BlueHost, on the other hand, focuses on WordPress and business features but is less performance-driven than its competitor. Number 3. Aweber versus GetResponse. Third, when comparing Aweber and GetResponse, which of these two email marketing solutions do you find to be more beneficial for your company? I'm going to compare the two products here in order to help you decide which one is better. Both Aweber and GetResponse provide a comprehensive set of tools to assist users in the process of creating, maintaining, and communicating with email databases. You shouldn't have too much trouble using either one to manage your electronic communications, even if you aren't all that technically minded, and both products will let you manage your electronic communications effectively. GetResponse is the clear victor in this competition due to the fact that it provides a solution that is significantly more all-in-one than Aweber does, comes standard with a sizable number of additional features, and is also available at a slightly more affordable price. GetResponse is a popular email marketing service, but Aweber excels in a few key areas as well. It integrates with a wider variety of third-party products, offers phone support, supports AMP for email, gives you access to its push notifications and autoresponder features on its free plan, and gives you access to its push notifications and autoresponder features on its free plan. AMP for email support is also included. GetResponse, on the other hand, offers a substantially more comprehensive collection of features than Aweber does, with the webinars tool representing one of the most potentially important of these features. GetResponse offers several features that are not available in Aweber, such as webinars, a website builder, live chat, and multilingual marketing, all of which can be found in GetResponse. Arguments in favor of using Aweber rather than GetResponse. The marketing automation features offered by GetResponse currently win out over the comparable workflow-based automation tools made available by Aweber. In fact, they win hands down. In comparison to Aweber, the price of this product is, on average, a little bit more reasonable, especially when you take discounts into consideration, and the fact that Aweber effectively charges you for unsubscribed contacts on your lists. If you pay for the product on an annual basis rather than on a monthly basis, you will be eligible for a discount of 18%. If you pay for 2 years in advance, you will be eligible for a discount of 30%. These discounts are significantly more generous than the equivalents offered by Aweber. The built-in landing page creator that comes standard with GetResponse is more advanced than the one that comes with Aweber. GetResponse's send time optimization feature has the potential to significantly improve your open and click-through rates. There's no equivalent functionality in Aweber. GetResponse comes pre-configured to allow users to immediately begin selling products and constructing sales funnels. GetResponse works in 26 different languages. Aweber only supports English. The customer support offered by GetResponse is available in 8 different languages, whereas the customer support offered by Aweber is only available in English. Arguments in favor of using Aweber rather than GetResponse. There is now a larger selection of templates to choose from when you take into account template variations. It integrates with a greater number of apps developed by other companies. All of its plans, including the free one, include the capacity to send push notifications to users. It provides features for conducting split tests that are somewhat more adaptable. There is support for AMP for email. Phone support is available. There is free assistance available for migration. Number 2. Bookbolt.io versus Rytr. You are able to create books from scratch using Bookbolt, which is book publishing software that is user-friendly for beginners and has a low content requirement. In addition to this, it enables you to scale a book publishing business without the need to write even a single word of original content. Not only does Bookbolt provide a lot for business owners, but it also provides a lot for writers of all different kinds. Within a single, all-encompassing platform, Bookbolt integrates design and product research, as well as keyword research. It also has a few additional really cool features, such as suggesting niches for you to target and spying on your competitors. We read the reviews left by their customers to get an idea of how their users operate the tool. Allows you to create books with no content in a variety of formats, such as wide-ruled, journal, college-ruled, and sheet music. The description reads, by using this program, you will easily be able to create one or more books that contain no content and list them on Amazon's KDP. You have the ability to search for the most competitive niches, keyword combinations, and design options. The person who designs your cover will ensure that it has the appropriate dimensions and that you have chosen the images and text that will attract the most readers to your book. Bookbolt will assist you throughout the entire publishing process for your book with minimal content. They are serious about self-publishing when they use the term. What is it about Rytr that appeals to you the most? It takes the key terms I give it and generates explicit content using those terms. It is simple to use, and entering your information is quick and painless. It is highly recommended that you make use of the Dropbox generator for emails, job descriptions, and tone in order to adapt your writing to the appropriate audience. Because of the membership plan that I have, I am restricted to using only a certain amount of content. When I used our Rytr AI, the program did not indicate whether or not the results would be presentable in my opinion. It does not generate simple content without first properly establishing the necessary description. Imagine that you have no idea what you are talking about and that it is vague. It's possible that the AI will produce useless content. Because of this, you will continue to use up all of your credits until you have none left, at which point you will be required to wait until the plan has run its course. Number 1. JASPER versus INVIDEO. INVIDEO pros and cons. Simple to use and understand. Compatible with both inexperienced and experienced users alike. Provides more than 5,000 video templates that are fully editable by the user. A built-in media library that is free to use and contains over 8 million royalty-free images and video clips. Packed with high-end features such as customizable voiceovers, high-definition resolution, and variable playback speed. With just one click, you'll have the ability to convert articles into videos. Unlimited team members and team sharing, which makes collaboration a breeze. Presets for your brand that ensure the content you produce follows the guidelines outlined in your brand style guide. Priority support available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to ensure that your workflow is disrupted only occasionally. Cloud storage of up to 100 gigabytes. The duration of your final export must be under 15 minutes since the editor is entirely browser-based. What do you think about this video? Do let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.